Welcome to the replay. Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you guys come on, please make sure you say hello to me. I would love to welcome you. If you are catching this super quick live today, you will see the big red live box in the upper left-hand corner. That means we can chat right here on Facebook. And again, if you're catching me on the replay, give me a hashtag replay. I would love to welcome you as well. So how is everyone doing today? Excited to be here with you today. It is launch day. You guys, super exciting. We are launching our mini holiday celebration suite today. Right now, it is available right on my website, which is chalkingwithjen.com, 2 N's. So you can check out all those 30 new designs that we have available for the upcoming holiday season. Hey Rhonda, how are you? And then, you guys, we re-release these 5 vault transfers today as well. So definitely head on over to my website, check those out, some super fun and amazing designs. But that is why I need to be super quick today, because I need to be available to answer any questions. I need to be available to help my team. So hopefully you guys can pop on in here and see this quick and fun, easy project. So let's talk about this. So for those of you that are interested, I have a private VIP group. And in my VIP group, you guys, I have these really awesome sample bundles available for you in there. So as long as you are not a designer, if you are interested in being a part of my VIP group, just give me a hashtag VIP. But these sample bundles are going to include one of these really cute chalkable chips. They come in black and white. Then you're going to get your chalk paste single, and you get a single color. And just a quick tip here, when you are using the chalk paste singles, when you get them, whether a part of a sample bundle or the Club Couture subscription, always make sure you take your hands and knead your chalk paste so that you get it to like a nice soft consistency. Okay, so just a quick tip. So you're going to get one of those, you're going to get your squeegee, and then you're going to get one of these cute little transfers. Now, you guys, these are the locally grown and Let's Get Wicked mini icons. These are the most popular transfers that we sell at Chalk Couture. And I have to tell you, the reason why is because your design possibilities are absolutely limitless with these transfers. Hey, Margaret, welcome. So, again, if you're interested in one of these little sample packs, what you're going to get, and let me just open this because I want to show you exactly what you're going to get in this sample pack. And again, this is available in my VIP group only. You are going to get, if you've never tried it, it's a great way to try it as well, you guys. So definitely, like I said, as long as you're not a designer, I would love to welcome you into my VIP group. So in your little sample bundle, like I said, you'll get a little chalkable chip, you'll get a transfer, you're going to get a chalk paste, you're going to get a squeegee, and then you're going to get the directions on how to use the product, everything you need to create a cute, simple little project at home to give this a try or to put somewhere. And I'm going to show you a cute project that you can do with just one of these little icons. Now, we do sell them in these packs, so if you're interested in getting all of them, they are all available right on my website. But I just want to show you something really cute you can do. And like I said, I got to be quick today because I'm getting messages left and right, which is super awesome. Always fun on launch day, right, you guys? Always. Oh, let's see. Which one do I want to do? I don't know. I'll use this one. I'll just go with this one. Because today I am feeling very grateful, very thankful, and blessed. I'm able to go live with you. I hope it's going okay on your side. I know it's kind of up or down, left or right, if you want to say. Sometimes it's a little sketchy, but it seems to be working okay. So I'm going to use these 2 little transfers today. Set this one aside on these cute little chalkable chips. And like I said, one of these come in a sample bundle if you're interested in that. And then I am going to be using our palette, these cute little palette boards that we came out with. Now, the beauty of these, you guys, this is a wooden surface. If you were going to chalk on this, I highly recommend waxing it. I use a Min Wax finishing paste. So I would wax it, let it dry, but you can chalk on this side or you can chalk on this side, which is really, really cool. But today, like I said, I'm kind of just using this as an accessory piece, and this is also available right on my website. And then I'm going to use these cute little chips. Now, transfers, all reusable, you guys, which is super, super cool. We have these silk screen reusable transfers. You usually get anywhere from 8 to 10 uses out of one of these transfers, which is super awesome. And you know what? I forgot to do something. So really quick, I'm going to throw this up on my screen really quick. For those of you who don't know what this is a really cool DIY home decor company called Chalk Couture. We have a home business opportunity in the DIY decor and crafting industry. You won't find these products anywhere else except through designers like myself. We have these silk screen reusable transfers. We have Chalkology chalk paste, and we have our Couture inks. Now we do offer several surfaces. We have chalkboards, box wood frames, we have canvas pillowcases and totes, and many more. And then we have all the tools that you need as well. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you, again, is the home business opportunity. You keep going off and on today. Oh! Okay, I'm just going to continue with the project, and hopefully maybe if you come back, it'll be okay. But I can offer you this amazing opportunity, and we are available in the US for $99 and in Canada for $129. So if you're interested in learning more about the opportunity, just give me a hashtag join and I'll make sure to send you the link. So like I said, these are reusable silk screen transfers. So what you want to do when you get these is you always want to flip it over, and you always want to write on the back of your transfer, so you know what side of the carrier sheet it will go on once you are completed, okay? And then when you're done, you're just going to take your finger and you're going to rub it over the edge to get it started, and then remove the transfer from the carrier sheet. Now, should you forget to write on the back, I always tell people shiny side, matte side. Shiny side is where your transfer goes back on when you're done, okay? So I'm just going to take this and I'm going to place it right on my surface. I'm not going to fuzz this one up because I'm using one of our chalkable chips, and it should work perfectly fine, okay? But certain surfaces, you definitely want to make sure you fuzz up your transfer, and all that means is placing them on a nice surface. Like we have these amazing fuzzing cloths, you guys. It has a microfiber side, and then it has the fuzzing side. And if you don't have one of these, I recommend you get one. But if not, you can always use your t-shirt or your sweatpants. They work just as good. Just saying. All right, so I will be using our Chalkology chalk paste in the orange peel and in our white today. Oh, this one's not open, so let's get this bad boy open. I thought I had one open from last night. I don't know. You know what? I already started opening it. Oh, well. No big deal. Just set this off to the side. Now your chalk paste, when you get a new chalk paste, you obviously need to stir this up. You want your chalk paste to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. Okay? So let's get this all. I needs me a wipe. I got a little piece on the end here. So if for any reason it is, do you see how thick this is? So I want to make sure I get this stirred up. Get all those pigments blended together. Oh yeah, that's a new full jar of white chalk paste. Look at that. Woo! Sorry, I don't want to keep shaking you guys. Get that all stirred up so you get that great consistency. Now our chalk paste is water soluble and semi-permanent. So it goes on as this liquid and it dries as a solid. Now see, this is still a little bit thick, even though it's a newer chalk paste. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water. And then I'm going to keep stirring that bad boy up. So I hope everyone's having a great day today on this fine Monday. It's hot down here, you guys. It's hot in South Carolina. We are loving it. We are here. We are not officially settled because we are going to actually be moving one more time. But it's getting there. We are getting there, learning about all the bugs down here, which has been fun. I know if you guys are on my personal page, I've been posting all the fun bugs going, what is this? what is this? So it's been really fun. But yeah, we've got one more move. And the good thing about the next move, you guys, is it has much better Wi-Fi. So right now I'm kind of just using a hotspot, but I think we're going to be okay. So, all right, this is a good consistency. I'm good with that one. Let me get a stir stick for my orange peel. And again, that's a really, really great consistency already. So I don't need to do anything with that. And our chalk paste comes in many colors. I think we have over 35 different colors in our chalk paste. So we have just about every color you need for any type of home decor. And you guys, right, the biggest time of the year to decorate is now. So it's super, super awesome. All right, so all I'm gonna do, you guys, quick, this is gonna be quick and easy. Dipping my squeegee, our mini squeegee, into the chalk paste. Again, pulling it across that silk screen area. Up or down, left to right, doesn't matter. Scrape off your excess, put it back in the jar, do not waste, okay? Then you're gonna take your transfer, remove it right from the surface, and you've got your completed design. Look at that. No weeding, no peeling, no nothing. Nice crisp lines. This is just going to take a few minutes to dry. So we're going to set that aside and go on to the next one. Check it out, you guys. Isn't that awesome? So awesome. And I've got chalk paste all over my fingers. It's all good. So again, just scraping it across there, removing any excess, putting it back in the jar, right? All right, you guys, let me get another towel here for my fingers before I make a mess of myself. Okay. I'm gonna remove that, stick that in my water off to the side. Water and Clorox wipes, you guys. That is all you need to clean your transfers. That is it, easy peasy. So again, if you're interested in those little sample bundles I have in my VIP group, just comment hashtag VIP. I'll get you the link as long as you are not a designer. Now, what am I going to do with these to create a cute project? And again, how fun would this be as a housewarming gift? I'm just going to take a little bit of ribbon. You guys know I love my buffalo ribbon here. And I think this is going to work perfectly right on this. I'm just tying it. Nothing fancy, you guys. No fancy bows today. Just tying this right on here. And I play with it just to get it like where I want it. Okay. Just going to play with it just like that. And then I'm going to take it. So I got to think about it. Hold on. Because I want it to be a V. I'm going to fold it in half like that. And then I'm going to take my scissors. Nope. Wrong way. See, I got to do it in my head. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Hey, Brenda, how are you? Ta-da! And I've got my cute little V. Oh, too long. Too long. Let's go up a little shorter. I've got my little V, just like that on one side. All right, let me think about it. Nope, wrong way. Isn't that sad? I gotta sit there and think about it. Because I can't tell you how many times I have cut my ribbon incorrectly. Nope. I need to go like this. Just like that. And then I've got my cute little ribbon here, you guys. Look how cute. My little bow up top there. See it? Isn't that cute? Just a cute little ribbon. You could do a little bow if you wanted to. Then, again, you know me and Velcro. I'm just going to take a piece of Velcro. Cut a piece off. You know there's two sides to it, right? Just regular Velcro. You can Velcro. Stick it right in the middle. This is easy peasy DIY home decor, you guys. And again, a cute little gift that you can give somebody as a housewarming gift. Stick one right on the back. just like that. And then I need another one. I need another piece of the Velcro. I am so excited to be back chalking. You guys have no idea. If you love this simple little design, you guys, please make sure you share my video. It is the greatest compliment you could give me. I greatly appreciate that. If you're catching me on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe. And again, all you can do, take that off, put that one on. And you guys, look how cute. Super simple and easy. If you buy the packets, you have all these different ones you can change it out with. Again, what a great gift. Hey, Jeannie, welcome. So that is it today, you guys. Like I said, super quick, simple, easy little project creating DIY home decor using Chalk Couture products. You guys, any questions you have, please let me know. Thanks so much for tuning in, and let's get online, check out all those fun new designs that launched today, and happy chalking, you guys. I'll see you soon.